In today's fast-paced electronics industry, disconnected ECAD-MCAD workflows can result in misaligned designs, outdated revisions, and costly errors. Watch our recent webinar recording to learn how Altium Designer 25 transforms your product design process with advanced harness and multi-board design capabilities, combined with the powerful MCAD CoDesigner. In this session, we explore integrating harness designs with precise component connectivity, optimizing multi-board systems, and efficient strategies for ECAD-MCAD collaboration and synchronization. Enhance your design workflow today by streamlining collaboration, reducing errors, and accelerating innovation. Watch the recording now and learn how to design smarter with Altium Designer 25.